Hey everyone, welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the camera button on your iPhone 16. So let's get started. First, go to the settings on your phone and then scroll down and tap on the camera section. If you can't find, search for camera. Then first tap it. Then first you go to the settings of the camera control. At the top you will see this lets you choose what happens when you press the camera button. By default you can launch the camera with a single or double click. If you scroll down you will see options to change what the camera button does. You can switch it to open things like the code scanner, magnifier, or even other apps. If you choose none, the camera button won't do anything. Once you set it to none, press the camera button and you will notice it no longer opens the camera. Of course, the camera still works normally through the app, it just won't open with the button. That's how you turn off the camera button. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you next time.